Hello and welcome to this nCore HR tutorial. In this video we are going to explain how to collect more sensitive information or to keep track of internal evaluations with the use of internal datasets. Internal datasets are created in the exact same way as custom datasets. You just have to go to Node, Setup and click in here. However, the difference with custom datasets is that internal datasets are filled in by the recruiters and not by the candidates. When you have created the necessary fields of the custom dataset, you have to tick this box to change it into an internal dataset. You can also select whether to make it visible to all roles or to only some of them. Internal datasets will have this darker color so that they can be distinguished from the custom datasets. After you have created your internal datasets, select them for your position in the last step. If you want to select an internal dataset for all future positions, you can set it up by default from the Fixed Datasets tab. You can access and use internal datasets from the candidate's profile in this way. By introducing here the email of your manager or any external user without an access to nCore, you can invite them to fill in this form by sending them a notification to their inbox. You can also compile these internal datasets during the recorded or live video interviews so that you can fill them in while listening to the candidate. And this is how to create and use internal datasets to collect information about your candidates.